Hi, this is Daniel. I'm a developer advocate at Teradata. These are exciting times as generative AI continues to drive innovation across nearly every industry. When working in highly regulated fields, though, such as healthcare, finance, and government, the pursuit of innovation might appear to conflict with the strict data privacy and data sovereignty requirements due to concerns that proprietary information might be unintentionally exposed or that unintentionally personal data from customers might be combined with data from other customers, leading to potential security, compliance, or IP risks. Teradata enables AI factories with its on-premises AI platform that is ideal for regulated industries or organizations seeking greater control, security, and predictability for their AI projects. Combined with Teradata's proven expertise in analytics and AI, Teradata enables data professionals to build trusted solutions in the safest of environments. Teradata uses the IntelliFlex platform to create a comprehensive on-premises AI solution connected to customer-provided GPUs. It features an AI workbench, which integrates an AI model catalog and AI operations within the ClearScape Analytics ModelOps SDK. The AI workbench serves as the user workspace, enabling interaction with the enterprise vector store and the in-database ClearScape Analytics AI and ML functions. It comes as well out of the box with Git and Airflow for orchestrating pipelines and CI/CD processes. This combination enables generating vector embeddings from unstructured data to power retrieval augmented generation pipelines and agents, performing sentiment analysis and other NLP tasks at scale, and combining traditional machine learning techniques for enhanced analytical insights. Let me illustrate with an example. Let's say that you are building a chatbot to onboard new employees at your organization. Foundational models are powerful because they are trained on massive general-purpose datasets. That means they are great at understanding and generating human-like text. However, they don't know anything about your company's specific policies, processes, or internal knowledge. You could try to include all of that information in your prompts, but if the knowledge base is large, that quickly becomes impractical. That's where RAG comes in. Instead of feeding the entire knowledge base to the model, RAG systems search through your data to find only the most relevant pieces and include those in the prompt. With Teradata Enterprise Vector Store, building a RAG system is straightforward. You only need two key components: access to LLMs and a vector database, which Teradata provides out of the box. It all starts in the Workbench console. This is your workspace. It gives you access to Jupyter notebooks and, more importantly, to ModelOps, a unified control center for all your models. In ModelOps, you'll find a list of foundational models ready to deploy through Teradata AI microservices. Choose the LLM that fits your needs, deploy it, and you'll get endpoints that you can use to run inference in your data. Here is how it works. Teradata Enterprise Vector Store processes your data, a collection of PDF files, for example, by breaking them into chunks. It then uses a deployed LLM to generate embeddings. These embeddings are indexed and stored, making it easy to search and retrieve the most relevant content later. when your solution is deployed. When the system is active, questions from users are converted to embeddings, just as the documents were. Teradata Enterprise Vector Store then finds what document fragments are related to the question by performing a similarity search on top of the embeddings generated from the processed documents. Then the system feeds the relevant fragments to the LLM along with the user prompt to generate the needed answer. Just like this simple use case, you can build more complex RAG and agentic AI applications. Whether you are working with sensitive information or scaling enterprise-grade AI solutions, Teradata provides you a trusted environment with built-in data sovereignty. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to dive deeper and see how it all works. Thanks for watching.